feed another one.
Are you holding it where you can see me? You can see them? Don't drop my phone, okay? Oh, he cut it in midair.
There's another one. Do another one.
Okay.
Why are they here?
Because they love.
Come on, get it.
Because they love nachos. They're so big, aren't they?
They're fat. Touch them. Touch their feather.
I don't want to touch them. Because I don't want them to accidentally nip my finger.
Oh, close.
They're kind of waiting their turn, aren't they?
Yeah, do it. Oh, they're coming in.
Next time we should bring popcorn, okay?
Oh, we're moving. I think we're moving.
Okay, let's see if we are.
I think we're moving.
Yeah, we are moving. Should you want to stop the video? Thanks, guys.
Oh, more. A few more.
Okay.
There. More.
Okay.
I think they're gonna follow us. Follow them.
You're not.
Oh.
I'm almost out.
Oh. Are they happy?
They are so happy. They feel so lucky.
They're following us?
Yeah.
Do it. Keep doing it. Do it.
I'm almost out. So as soon as I'm out, they'll probably go away. Ooh, you're a big guy.
Oh. I didn't know.
Okay.
Do you keep doing it? You keep doing it.
Okay, I'm almost. This is kind of my last ones.
Okay. See you later.
Bye, guys. Enjoy.
Are they so happy?
They are so happy. Okay, let's stop.
Okay, see, we'll watch them.
Oh,
Hey.
okay. You want to stop the video or keep taking it?
Well, okay, so make sound of them. Make sound of them. Keep doing it. I think they're following us. Okay.